Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk in detail about the Rhode Island quarter dollar. This coin is part of the United States State Quarter Series and holds a special place in American coin history. The Rhode Island quarter dollar represents one of the smallest but most historic states in America. Rhode Island is well known for its connection to the sea, shipbuilding, and trade. This deep connection with the ocean is clearly reflected in the design of this coin. When you look at the coins, you can see a beautiful sailing ship. This ship symbolizes freedom, exploration, and maritime strength. Along with the ship, you can also see a bridge. The bridge represents connection, progress, and the engineering history of the state. This design was carefully chosen to tell a story. It is not just a coin, but a small piece of American heritage. Every detail on this coin reflects pride, history, and culture. Collectors all over the world show interest in the Rhode Island quarter dollar. Many people keep this coin not only for its value, but also for its meaning. Coins like this help us understand how history is preserved through everyday objects. The value of the Rhode Island quarter dollar depends on several important factors. The most important factor is the condition of the coin. A coin that is clean, shiny, and well-preserved is always more desirable. Coins with scratches, dirt, or damage usually have lower value. That is why collectors always advise handling coins with care. Never clean old coins harshly because cleaning can reduce their value. Another important factor is demand. Some coins become popular because collectors want them for complete collections. The Rhode Island quarter dollar is often collected as part of the full state quarter set. Many collectors enjoy completing the entire series. This makes each state quarter important in its own way. Even if one coin is missing, the collection feels incomplete. The Rhode Island quarter dollar is also popular among beginners. People who are new to coin collecting often start with state quarters. These coins are easy to recognize and easy to store. Over time, interest in old coins continues to grow. More people are learning about coin history and collecting as a hobby. This growing interest increases demand in the collector's market. Old coins teach patience, care, and attention to detail. They remind us that small things can carry great stories. A simple coin can connect us to the past. If you own a Rhode Island quarter dollar, make sure to store it properly. Keep it in a safe, dry place away from moisture. Using coin holders or albums can help protect your collection. Proper storage keeps coins in good condition for many years. Coin collecting is not only about money. It is also about learning history and enjoying the journey. Each coin adds a new chapter to your collection. The Rhode Island quarter dollar may look simple, but its story is rich and meaningful. It represents the spirit of exploration and connection. If you are passionate about old coins, this channel is made for you. Here we talk about rare coins, history, and collecting tips. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Do you have the Rhode Island quarter dollar in your collection? Thank you for watching.